Hello everyone, welcome to Code Kudos. In this video, let's talk about callable statement. Callable statements are used in Java program to run stored procedures on the DBMS systems. Currently in my database, I have written a stored procedure. So this is my stored procedure and this is the name of it. So let's see how we can call this stored procedure from our Java program. As you can see, I have already defined my credentials over here. Now let us establish the connection. Now I have defined a variable employee ID. So what this stored function does is that it will use the employee ID and it will get the particular employee's details. We are going to use the try block. We are going to create a connection object. For this try block, I'm going to create a catch block as well. Now let us call our stored position. To do that, we have to create a string. Within this string, I'm going to have to call my stored procedure that is present in my database. I'm going to type call get employee by ID. As you can see, this is my stored procedure name. So this is my stored procedure name and it takes a parameter that is the employee ID. So we have to supply the parameter. For supplying the parameter, I have given a placeholder here. Now let us create the callable statement. So to call the callable statement, we need to call the method called prepackaged. So in this prepackaged method, we have to supply our stored procedure string. Once we have the callable statement object, now we have to supply this parameter. To do that, I'm going to call that object dot set. As this parameter is an integer, I'm going to call the method setInt. Now our statement is ready. We just need to execute our query. To do that, we have to create a result set object. And in my callable statement object, I'm going to call the method execute query. To see my output, I have to loop over the result set. I'm going to do a while loop. As you can see, for the employee ID one, we are able to fetch the employee name. Similarly, for other employee IDs, we were able to fetch other employee name details as well. Please subscribe to Code Kudos to get upskilled in programming, and thanks for watching.